Hi, my name is Robert. I'm an instructor here with UEI's Electrician Technician program, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of our lab. So this is a 9-month program. There's 9 courses in there. They're 4 weeks long each. So our first class has to do with basic safety. So let me get some of that safety equipment today and some of the tools. You also, in the first class, you'll be learning how to properly use tools and how to properly use hand tools and both power tools as well. In class, you'll have to wear your eye protection. Eye protection is really important. And that's also, you'll be on a construction site. So construction sites require hard hats. Here's some of our tools that an electrician would use. And what we'll do is we'll go through the tools and what the names are, the proper names, and how to use them. In the basic safety class, you'll learn how to properly use hand tools and power tools. Now, you may not know what some of the tools are right now, but I assure you, when you complete the first course, you'll know exactly how to use them and how to use them properly. For example, I'll give you, this is a bandsaw. This saw is designed to cut pipe. It's a very nice tool to use, and it's one that you'll use often in the electrical field. The next course is electrical theory. In that class, you'll learn exactly what current, voltage, Ohm's law, resistance. I know those may not be familiar to you right now, but I'll tell you, you may have also thought to yourself, what is electricity? Most people don't really know. I assure you, when you complete this course, you'll know exactly what electricity is, you'll know what resistance is, and you'll know everything I just talked about. Our next course is raceways and pipe bending. This here is a hand pipe bender that I have right now. You'll know how to use this, and what that will do is you'll be able to bend some of these pipes that you'll see here that are on my display. In front of the display is a pipe bender, electric pipe bender. You'll know how to use this as well throughout the course. So the next course is residential applications. Now, oftentimes I get asked by students or prospective students, just how hands-on is your program? Well, here you can see is our residential area where we're doing connections here. Right now, currently, you can see students are in the process of doing their connections. They're hooking up some receptacles, some light switches, and then a light over above. This is a panel that is just like in your house, and you'll make all the connections in the panel. So when you leave here, you'll have an understanding and be able to work within the residential field of hooking up and connecting wires. Now, another question I get asked is, am I going to be electrocuted? The answer is no. We work in a very, very safe environment. You'll be making your connections. We'll make it ready to engage and energize, and at that point, we'll do it safely. Our next course is commercial applications. You'll note that the studs here are steel. So if you're working in an office environment, this is basically what's behind the drywall in this case. You'll be doing, it's similar to the connections with residential. However, you'll be using totally different type of material. You'll be doing some MC cable right here. You'll be using different wiring, and you'll be completing raceways using conduit. Our next course is low voltage applications. And one of the areas in that course that you'll be studying will be fire alarm system. This here is a commercial fire alarm system, so students will understand the proper wiring in this low voltage system. For example, they might connect a smoke detector right here, and then maybe perhaps a strobe in this right here. And then we'll learn a little bit about the fire alarm panel right here. So we'll be learning how to connect these properly. It's a very different type of wiring, and it's low voltage. The next course is motor controls. What I'm looking at right here is a 3-phase motor with a magnetic starter and 2 stop-start buttons. And you look at this right here, this competency, this is actually something the students will actually perform and create and troubleshoot and ensure that it's working properly. Over here behind me is some motor control components here, and students at the end of the course will understand what these components are and how to use them properly. This is our student competency board. Students will be required to bend pipes such as the one you see here. This happens to be a 4-point bend with an offset. 2 commonly used bends in the industry. Students will be able to perform these bends and the correct method in doing so. Our next course is solar applications. This right here is a standard solar panel that you see, probably seen it on top of roofs in residential areas. Students will understand how to install this panel and how to commission it, the panel as well. So upon completing the program, a student will be prepared for an entry-level position working for an electrician or general contractor in the electrical field in areas of commercial installation, residential installation, what I showed you earlier, and solar application, just to name a few. So if you've ever been interested in the construction field and are looking for some specialty trade, then the electrician technician program may be the trade for you. It offers a great opportunity, a wide variety of outcomes, and you can specialize in a number of different types of electrical fields. In addition to what a student will learn in the program, our Career Services team is here to help with the job search process. Students will learn how to build a resume, interview skills, so they'll be better prepared to enter the industry.